Hello students! In this English lesson, we are going to learn how to use the word can. We will also practice using it. Let's begin. The word can is a very useful verb in English. It's used to express ability, possibility, or permission. When talking about ability, can is often used to describe a skill or talent that someone has. For example, I can dance means that the speaker is able to dance. When talking about possibility, can is used to express that something is likely or possible. For example, it can get very hot in the summer. It means that it is possible for the weather to be very warm during the summer months. Finally, can also be used to ask for permission to do something. For example, can I borrow your pen? Is a polite way of asking someone if you can use their writing instrument. Great! Now let's practice making the sentences with the verb can. You can also write the sentences in your exercise book. The first sentence is I can ride my bike without training wheels. I can ride my bike without training wheels. The first sentence is we can build a sand castle at the beach. We can build a sand castle at the beach. We can build a sand castle at the beach. We can build a sand castle. I can count up to 100 all by myself. I can count up to 100 all by myself. I can count up to 100 all. I can draw a picture of my family. I can draw a picture of my family. I can draw a picture of my family. I can draw a picture. I can bake cupcakes with my mom. 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 Can you help me pick up these toys? 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 Can we have pizza for dinner tonight? 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 Can we have pizza for... Wonderful! Now, can you make more sentences by yourself? Can you? Yes, you can. You can do it. And thank you so much for attending this lesson. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.